guys! Today I'm featuring the beautiful and very talented Letisha Velasco and her collaboration with LIKHA Cosmetics. So, ito yung product guys. It's a matte liquid lipstick. Cruelty-free siya and it's good for 24 months upon opening. You will get 8 ml of product and you can get this for 375 pesos plus shipping fee sa Lazada. Yung pangalan ng shade ay Chili Pepper and then it comes in this square acrylic tube at yung brand name at yung name ni Letisha ay nakaprint mismo dun sa tube. So, meron siyang doe foot applicator na maliit lang yung size, which is perfect for me kasi mas precise yung application since bold yung shade na napili niyang kulay ng lipstick. So, eto na yung shade guys. It's a blue undertoned red, very classic. And sabi niya, ito daw yung pinaka-favorite talaga niyang shade ng lipstick. Sobrang bilis niyang mag-set guys. So, kung gusto niyo ng gradient type na lipstick, dapat pagka-apply niyo mag-blend niyo siya agad. Kasi once na nag-set na siya, it's smudge-proof and it's transfer-proof. Since this is a matte liquid lipstick, I don't recommend it if you have dry lips. But you can always moisturize and exfoliate before applying. Yung feel naman niya sa lips, it's very comfortable naman kapag one layer lang yung in-apply ninyo. And I don't think na kailangan ko pa siyang second layer kasi pigmented na yung product. So here's the lip swatch guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you.